If you're planning a trip to San Francisco and looking for a hotel near Fisherman's Wharf, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Today, we're taking you inside Hotel Zoe to show you the room, the facilities, the location, and most importantly, is it really worth your money? So, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and follow our channel. It helps us immensely. So, come along with the Lollie and Markie show.
Which hotel here in San Francisco?
Yeah.
Markie's going to do a little video now and show you the hotel, and then we'll do a little
Okay.
So off you go, Markie.
So that way is the way we come in for over the Golden Gate Bridge. It's over there. Down there, as you can see, is the big wheel where we walked down this morning, and down there is where we've just come up on that weird car. Anyway, let's go inside. Let's have a look at hotel. Just a couple of things there. Next door is parking's $15 a day, but it's $30 if it's overnight. However, here in the hotel itself, it's $65 plus tax. So this is the hotel itself. What do you think of it?
The entrance only small, isn't it? We've not been in the dining room yet.
No. So you come in. So we're going to have a look around. Here's the reception just here. Quite a small reception. We've got the restaurant here, which is only open at certain times. That's the price for that. Not sure we can see in there at the moment. It looked quite nice last night, but like I said, we don't go in there. In the morning, they give us like a free coffee, 7 till 10 here. You just come down and help yourself, which is quite nice. Not much else really, a bit of a plug section here. Nice fire over there, and a nice little patio area outside. It looks quite nice. There's no pool or anything. I don't think this door is open. But yeah, so they've got a bit of an outside area, but as you can see, it's middle winter. So I can give you a tour before. This is now night time here. Oh yeah, there you go. And it's got all this open for if you want to drink around there. That's lovely. Stunning. Oh, let's get a better picture. There you go. Fabulous. So we come back over here. Oh, and don't break my neck. Some nice bit of modern art. Yeah, I know. And that is it. It's the reception. There's not much else. You can use some gym stuff across the way, I believe. I mean, what did that say? So you got meeting rooms there. So reception, lobby, courtyard. That's it. Should we go to the room, babe? Come on then, let's go to the room. So the lift you have to have your key for. Otherwise you can't get to your room, can you? So corridors look a bit like that. We're this way. You got your ice. I mean, very straight corridor. They all look about the same, don't they, babe?
Yeah, have you showed them the textured wallpaper, which looks like leather?
No. Go on
Which
then.
I think is really cool. I quite like that.
Yeah.
I suppose you'd probably get it back in the wicks, but
Yeah, it's lovely that, isn't it?
do
Do
like.
you like the lights?
I do. I like the when you look straight down.
Yeah.
You've got all the lights. So full picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, let's go to our room. Right, so we're staying in room 244. We were here last night, to be honest.
Welcome to our boudoir.
Yeah, let's get some lights on for you.
It's a beautiful room.
It is.
We've tried it out last night, as Markie said, and it was fabulous, apart from the earthquake.
Oh
An
yeah.
amazing sleep.
Oh yeah. We had an earthquake last night. I'll put in a bit of footage now from the news.
Okay.
Right there in Santa Cruz County. This is that who felt it map. And I always, after an earthquake, always go to the USGS website and report whether or not you felt it, how strong it was, give them all the details.
Well, look how crazy this is. So that's the epicenter, right? Right
Yeah.
there in Boulder Creek, but it was felt as far north. Look at that, Sacramento. Folks there reporting feeling it as well. And as far south as King City, down near Greenfield. It's pretty incredible. Crawford's Joey Horta is actually at the epicenter in Boulder Creek talking to folks who certainly felt it this morning.
Yeah. So here we go. Absolutely amazing light, as you can see. Beautiful headboard. Really nice, and it goes with the decor in here.
Yeah.
The pillows are lovely, and honestly, it's like sleeping on a cloud. We have got these lights are really cool. Just a touch button. You've got loads of ports everywhere by both beds. You've got a bed settee. This little chair is fab as well.
Yeah, it's spinny one.
Executive chair. And it's just quite modern, isn't it? With like the triangle tables.
Yeah.
And we got some Evian water, 2 big bottles. We got that complimentary water.
We did.
Which was really good. What is that, a nice bucket?
Yeah.
Because you don't get any tea or coffee facilities.
So in one of these is our safe, and in this side is our fridge. Okay.
Massive telly though, isn't it?
It's huge.
The remote control needs new batteries because it was
Dodgy.
sticking a bit yesterday, wasn't it?
Big window behind, well, mirror behind.
There's mirrors everywhere in the room, isn't there? So if you don't like looking at yourself, probably not the room for you.
The view is a bit, it's just like that. Nothing
Like that. You
great.
probably won't be able to see that with the sun.
Yeah. So there you go. We've checked the mattress
The
yesterday.
mattress is lovely.
And the pillows.
And the pillows and the linen is absolutely spot on. The hand wash, we've used it, and the body wash smells divine. It actually smells a bit like Elemis.
Should we go to the bathroom?
Should we?
Then?
There's enough, I can't refuse.
No.
Right, so I'll just do this first. You've got ample space there, and what I will show you is that instead of an iron, you do get a steamer.
Okay.
Yeah, which is
Yeah.
really good. Yeah, so we'll just head off to the bathroom. Follow me. Did you see in the cupboard, or did it go off?
No, it just.
Right, okay. So there's ample space.
Yeah.
But instead of an iron, you get a steamer.
Yeah.
It's a really good one as well. I can't read the name on that. I haven't got the glasses on.
Sunbeam.
Sunbeam. I don't know
Sunbeam.
whether that's good enough, but it feels quite heavy.
Yeah.
You get a hairdryer.
Yeah.
Oop, and then off to the
Kazi.
Kazi you go. I'm not sure if we've showed you this about American baths before. It's heavenly. I do love a bath. So after the travel like we done yesterday, I just soaked in the bath. But what you will find in an American bath is they're a lot wider, but they're so tiny.
Yeah.
It's like, what's that? About 1.5 foot?
Yeah. If that.
As where ours like come up to here back home, you have to climb in. The Americans generally make it wider, but they make it really low. And you still get a really good bath from them.
And weirdly enough, the plug, there's no plug, it's underneath, isn't it?
Yeah. So the plug is, I don't know whether I can show you. I may have got my shoes on. Yeah. So, do you know what? Just give us a second.
Oh, sorry.
If you go back a minute, I'll just take my shoes off and show you this. Because even though the bath's not very deep, you still get a really good bath. Right, so wide. Like, you still get a really good bath in it. It's just really low. But the good thing about this is, you come here. Because I was looking everywhere for a plug and I was like, where's the plug? So this just, that closes it, but it doesn't actually show that it's like inside.
Deep inside.
It just shuts the valve off. And it's just a faucet, so you can't move it.
Yeah.
So.
I had a nice shower this morning. It was brilliant. Well, last night, was it? So.
Yeah, it's honestly, really good.
You right there?
And I enjoyed the bath.
Okay.
I haven't had one for.
Yeah.
I'd shower every day, but I mean, I enjoy that.
But it's all textured. The wallpaper's textured.
Wallpapers are lovely.
Textured the tiles. Got a lovely light here.
Oh, and you've got the big shaving mirror, little shaving mirror there, but it's magnified, so you can actually put your makeup on. And Markie can have a shave.
Yeah. Nice on that.
So.
The light's always inside though, these American bathrooms. Nice leather case for your tissues.
Yeah, all your plug sockets, like, are in the, not all of them, but where you do your hair and stuff, they're always in the bathroom. It must be a low wattage or something.
See?
Lovely big.
Enclosed, isn't
Enclosed,
it? Yeah, it doesn't wet the floor.
Some hooks to hang your really everything's polished.
Yeah.
Polished to an inch of its life, which I do like. I was a bit, because these don't open, so there's not much storage space to put your makeup and stuff like that. But works wonders for us.
Lovely large mirror for me, dancing.
Yeah.
Like that.
You've got Lollie in the back and Markie in the mirror.
Yeah. So I think that's the hotel room tour. Way. So we'll sum it up now. So I'm going to give the hotel here location, comfort, staff a good solid 9. I think it's been fab.
I'm going to go the same.
Okay.
So we're on the same
We are.
page, yeah.
So until the next time, from the Lollie. Oh no. So the hotel. How much did it cost us?
I don't know.
No. I think it cost us nearly $400. 300. It's just over £300 for 2 nights.
Okay.
I think it's cost us.
You don't get any breakfast, so that's
No.
just
Room
what you
only.
get.
And you get the coffee in the morning. When we
But
had
you do get a free coffee in the morning, and that I think is from 7 till 10.
And they gave us a 15% discount for one of the Pier 39 restaurants which we used last night. Brilliant. It really did make a difference. And they give us $15 for the main restaurant down here if we wanted to use that. So, you know, loads of normal plugs, and there's no USB-C ones. So yeah, that's it. I couldn't remember how much I paid them, but it's about just over 300. But I'll make sure I put the pricing at the bottom.
It was worth it.
It was worth it. So
from
the Lollie and Markie
show. What did you get from Alcatraz today, Markie?
So today from Alcatraz, I bought this lovely shirt.
Who bought you?
Lollipop bought me. And it's got the Alcatraz thing on there. However, we've just discovered when you open it up like that.
There's the original cloth that they actually used.
Yeah, it's the original colour, everything.
And cloth that they actually used
And that's
for the
on the
prisoners.
inside. So, yeah, US penitentiary. Penitentiaria. Oh,
No, we can say that.
We've had a few drinks now. We're going to a gay circus. But yeah, that's the. Isn't that cool? And that was $36 with tax. And it's fab.
Love it, don't you?
There you go.
Can't wait for you to wear that.
See you later.
Big boy.